Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can log into your Edits app. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So you guys might have already known that Edit app is actually associated with Instagram app and is used for editing your videos and photos for your Instagram Reels or stories. So when you open the app like this, you will already see the option of continue with Instagram, and you will have to continue with your Instagram account. So you are already going to see your account on the first right here, which is currently logged into your Instagram. So in order to log in, you can simply just tap on the account, and like that you can log into Edits app. But if you don't want to log in this account and you want to log in another account in Edits, what you're going to do is tap on the option of switch accounts right here. And after tapping on it here, you can see there are three different accounts given right here. It is given three different accounts because I have logged into my Instagram with three different accounts. So if you guys have logged into your different types of account, you guys will see those accounts in here, and you can simply just tap on the account that you want to log in. But if your accounts are not in here, you can also tap on the option of log in with another Instagram account option right here. So after tapping on that option here, you can simply just add in your email, username or mobile number in here. So in here, you can see I have written down my email address of my account, and all I have to do is write down my password of my account. And after you have filled up both of that, you can simply just tap on the option login. And in here, you can see there is the option of join edits. You can tap on it. And like this, you can see you have now successfully been logged into your Edits app. And that is it. That is how you can log into your Edits app. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.